Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Let's continue with national income. For this time, let's discuss 7 main problems in calculating national income. First, illiteracy. The problem of illiteracy occurs in most less developed countries. However, there is no denying that it also happens in some developing countries. The problem arises when there is no systematic and proper account in recording production and expenditure. Most manufacturers in these countries have little or no knowledge to record their productions, sales and purchase of raw materials using the correct methods. In fact, at one time, it may happen where they simply give an estimate of the amount reported in the financial statement of their company's production and income. As a matter of fact, there are even manufacturers who take the opportunity to falsify data in order to avoid paying tax. Second, expertise problem. Well, expertise problems are associated with the lack or absence of researchers, statisticians, programmers, and analysts. This problem happens mostly in non-developing countries. Their expertise is needed in calculating, analyzing, and reporting national income data accurately or with at least very few errors. However, this expertise is somewhat lacking in underdeveloped countries. Third, lack of sophisticated machinery and equipment. The lack of sophisticated equipment such as the latest computers that have updated software for analysis is also a shortcoming that exists in underdeveloped countries. Obsolete machinery is still widely used in third world countries, which makes it difficult to analyze national income accurately. Even more puzzling is the possibility of a lack or absence of production and cost data in some firms in these countries. Data such as investment, consumption, and production costs could not be obtained and made it difficult to accurately calculate national income. Thus, estimated data had to be taken into account. Fourth, double counting. It happens due to some parts or components of a product known as intermediate products are traded a few times. Okay, we know that most products have to go through a series of production processes before reaching the end users. Then it may result in there being the same product counted more than once. Keep in mind, in calculating the national income, the intermediate product is not counted. It only takes into account the final product. By taking the example of car production, it is only necessary to enter the value of the car because the car is the end product that will enter the market. The firm should not report the value of car tires and car accessories in entering data for the calculation of national product. If the data includes the value of car tires and car accessories, then it has double the calculation of tire as well as accessories data. Certainly, tire manufacturing firms and accessory manufacturing firms have already initially reported tire and car production data. In the simplest words, only the final goods and services need to be included in the calculation of national product. Intermediate items are not included. Okay. Number 5, false information. The problem of data falsification occurs in most countries in the world, whether in developed, less developed countries and underdeveloped countries. Many manufacturers try their best to falsify data by reducing total revenue, minor productivity reported, and only reporting high firm production costs for one purpose: tax evasion. In addition, no one will report their illegal activities, right? Therefore, production related to prohibited items such as drugs, firearms, and certain types of dangerous firecrackers will definitely not be reported. So, false information is simply referring to incorrect and incomplete data. 6. Multi-occupations. Many people do more than one primary jobs with intention to earn more income. It is known as moonlighting. Obviously, the secondary job they take will not be exposed and the income will be used for private consumption secretly. Simple example. An accountant who works full-time and earns fixed income from an accounting firm also conducts business online. The income from the full-time job as an accountant will be recorded in the national income accounting, but the income received from the online business will not be reported. Okay, the last one, non-market transaction. Keep in mind, in calculating national income, it only takes into account transactions that take place in the market only. Activities that do not generate income and no profits are not recorded. Examples: tasks performed by housewives such as cooking, babysitting, cleaning the house are not reported in calculating national income because housewives do not earn income from daily routines performed. Well, all 7 problems described will cause estimation and calculation of national income to be less accurate. It is a problem for the government because it makes it difficult to plan in the development of a country. Okay, that's all for now. Till next time, take care and thanks for listening.